we have to look at what matters to us, what puts food on our table, what puts a roof over our head. And we have to think of who is the right person to do it. I want to talk about just one race today of the 2022 election, and that is the Georgia Senate race between Raphael Warnock and Herschel Walker. There are many reasons why I prefer one candidate over the other, but I will tell you just a couple of them that I find one of them to be abhorrent, that Herschel Walker would say that if he were elected to the Senate, that he would support a total ban on abortions. That would violate even the Dobbs v. Jackson ruling, which provides rational basis protection to women, and there's no rational basis for banning abortion in cases of rape, incest, or life of the mother. In these cases, child abuse, these exceptions, there's no rational basis, no legitimate governmental interest served in allowing laws such as these to exist, because that would incentivize the crimes of rape, incest, and would come into conflict with medical emergencies, putting into question the Hippocratic Oath and the entire medical community, which is a place that the courts will not go. Even the Dobbs ruling says rational basis scrutiny. So, and you have to understand that for Raphael Warnock to make an informed decision about this takes a lot, coming from somebody who's still a pastor, who still does hold services at the Ebenezer Baptist Church, where Martin Luther King Jr. used to preach. And he does that, and he's a senator, and he knows what the needs of the people are. And Herschel Walker is a former football player. And without knowing anything else, if you know that a pro football player, pro football is known for traumatic brain injuries caused by the sport. It is an ongoing issue, and it's not a matter that is a joke. What I think is a joke is that the whole time my dog was probably sitting there. So I don't know. It can be scary. And you know, honestly, when you hear Mr. Walker talk, every time, at least for me, I think, okay, that sounds like, you know, concussive result of a concussion or a result of traumatic brain injury, because he got hit in the head so many times while playing football, and they get hit in the head all the time. I mean, I don't play football, I don't know football, but you get hit in the head a lot. I think it's a very violent sport. Anyway, so but the more serious reason, well, both are serious reasons really, but the really abhorrent reason why Herschel Walker is quite likely the worst candidate ever to run for Senate is because he doesn't make sense. He can't follow a sentence through, and he thinks that there should be a total ban on abortions, even in instances of rape, incest, and life of the mother. But then again, that's not really surprising, because he admits to have put a gun to his ex-wife's head and been abusive to her many times before by just flippantly saying, "Oh, that happened a long time ago." Really? No.